السلام عليكم اصدقائي صديقاتي. دابا كنا كنديرو التسميع ديال الفريخات الصغار. الو كما كنا قلنا هما 7 ديال الفريخات الصغار. دابا دبرت لكم على واحد المنظر دابا ديال سيسكو، دابا من واحد المنظر بواحد الضو اكسبسيونيل. الوغ nice to meet everybody here. So my friends from everywhere, new friends, new buddies, to new subscribers to the channel of vlogs, birds. Thank you for joining us. Now we are presenting my goldfinch Sisco, named Sisco. 1 year 2 months. He's so beautiful, singing all the time, and we are spending really good time with him. Yeah, Sisco. So now we are going to try to give him to eat from our hands for our English and American talkers, and if it will happen, it will be really good. So I need to talk with him Arabic, so keep following, okay? Sisco? Sisco? اجي هاك سيسكو دي السودا ما خرجش. سيسكو to be with your bird you need to be quiet and calm, so the bird will be confident, so she will trust in you. She will trust on you and everything will be alright. Can eat from your hand, but it's not the work of one day, it's the work of several weeks. And if you want that your bird will eat from your finger or from your hand, you have to be patient, very patient. Firstly, very patient, and you have to choose the seed, the good seed, with the color different of the color of usually give him, that you usually give him. Okay, so like I said, you see now how he is now eating the white seeds, yeah, and sure he will have like the dessert, this one. Yeah, Cisco, иди сюда мой хороший, возьми, вот такая хорошая, вот черненькая, да? Тебе понравится? Вот. اجي سيسكو، اجي كل هادي، خد. ما تفقسناش قدام الاصدقاء والصديقات. اليوم راه القضيه راه فيها انجليش ان لايف، فهمتي؟ ايوا يلا اجي سيسكو. Давай, мой хороший, давай. Давай, чтобы видео хорошо получилось. Да? Рады наших друзей. Давай. So, you would choose to eat, or I'm going up? Cisco. Choosing to eat? No? Look. Look. Too delicious. Come on, baby, come on. Very delicious. Come here and try. ارجع بابا ارجع. سيسكو سيسكو. Давай. Попробуй. Давай. Ну. Ну. О. Давай, ну иди сюда. Теперь я не пугаю. М? Ты же мой хороший друг. Да? Да? Ну иди сюда. Иди сюда. Давай. Ну. Ну. Иди сюда. Сиську. Сиську. О. Видишь? Вот она. Иди поешь, мой хороший. Тебе понравится. Черненькая. А там ты стоишь над углем. Там ничего нет. Понимаешь? Давай. Давай, чтобы все хорошо было. Давай. Сиську. Да. О. Смотри, вот. Я тебе добавлю еще. Вот. I will give you more. Видишь, сиську? Видишь? Вот. Черненькая, вот, видишь, вот. You see? It's more black seeds. Come on, try. The whites are not so good. Come on. Come on, my baby, come on. You are too clever to choose the black one. Okay? Come here. Just try, my friend. Look at this. You have to be very patient with like these birds, because they are too sensitive, very sensitive. Yes, Сисько, Сисько. Не хочешь черный? Черный не хочешь? Во, смотри. He is choosing the white, but he will get the desert, and the desert is the black ones. It's sure. Now he's so worried about the camera. Okay, we would left you a bit of time, and we will see after 1 or 2 minutes. Okay? So you would choose the black or the white? Tell me, Cisco. Let's try another time. Okay. Cisco. Look at this, Cisco. Cisco. Look at this. Cisco. Cisco, what's the matter with you? You don't want to talk with your friends, your English friends? Actually, we are in good mood. So now, you are like crazy. What's happened, man? You don't like English language? No. شنو ندوي بالعربية؟ سيسكو نتكلموا بالعربية؟ دابا يلا هاجي ندوي بالعربية. هاك خذ كل مع راسك. بغيتي تدوي بالعربية نتايا ما فيهاش. تا خطير. For our English friends, he's now eating. You see, my friends, he's eating from my finger. Yeah, and he loves English language. He was just kidding with us. There is nothing, man. It's finished. Yeah, but you did it. Yeah, he did it. So thank you and keep joining us and following us and subscribe, like and share. Okay, my friends. شكرا لكم أصدقائي وصديقاتي. هذه كانت من أجل أصدقائنا المتكلمين باللغة الإنجليزية.